Hello and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Axis Bank account. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification as soon as we post a new video. To log into Axis Bank, go to your web browser and type www.axisbank.com and enter. As soon as you reach the official web page of Axis Bank, click on the login button on the top right corner, and from the internet banking section, click on personal login. Enter your login ID in the first row and enter your password to your account. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password link provided. If you are a first-time user and you haven't registered yet to Axis Bank, click on First-time User Register link over here. You can even log in using your debit card number and your PIN number information, and you also have another option from where you can select your customer ID or your registered mobile number in order to log in to your account. After filling your login ID and password, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Axis Bank account. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back again with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.